Welcome to this training. This training to date is about concrete pump operation. This training is aimed at improving safety awareness, effective operations, healthy machines, thus cost-effective operation. Hence, profits to the company and bonuses to the staffs. Our title of the training is Operating Truck-Mounted Concrete Pumps. Subtitle will have safe, efficient, and professional pump operation. Training objectives. By the end of this training, you will learn 1. Pre-operation safety checks, correct machine positioning and setup, pump starting and concrete pumping, handling blockages safely, cleaning and shutdown procedures, post-operation maintenance tips. The importance or benefits of safe pump operation. If you operate the pump in a safe way, you 1. Prevent accidents and injuries. You protect machine components from breaking. It results to improved concrete quality. You reduces downtime and repair costs. Ensures compliance with the site safety. We look at pre-operation safety checks. Before starting the pump, make sure 1. You wear full PPE. 2. Inspect machine condition. Check there are no leaks, everything is fine. Move around the machine. Check the electric component, the emergency switch, the controls, everything is stable before you start the machine. 3. Check fluid levels. Daily make sure you check all the emergency switches and what they are working. It is important on checking the system. You should be working. Water, all the switches on, and you have it is important to always check confirm ground before start working. Confirm where you are going to set your machine. It is a good practice. It is strong enough. The machine will not sink in the ground. In a good personal protective equipment, PPE. Always wear 1. Safety helmet, 2. Safety gloves, 3. Safety boots, 4. Reflective vest, 5. Ear protective, 4. 5. Ear protection, 6. Eye safety glass. Please note, PPE is mandatory. Visual inspection. Please check the following. 1. Hydraulic hoses for leaks or cracks. 2. Hooper grate and safety cover. 3. Concrete delivery pipeline. 4. Pipe clamps and connections. Fluid level checks. Ensure correct levels of hydraulic oil, engine coolant, water tank for cleaning, water level in the water box, and fuel. Please never operate with low fluid levels, because with concrete it is very important. Controls and safety devices. Here you make sure test emergency stop buttons. Daily make sure you check all the remote control. Daily make sure you check all the, if it is wireless or wired. Daily make sure you check all the, confirm all warning indicators and horn, all they are working. Ensure controls respond correctly. If you pump forward, it should pump forward. If you pump reverse, it should pump reverse. If you on actuator front, it should go front. If it is backward, it should go backward. Ensure everything is working correct. I appreciate your attendance. For those who are on the YouTube, who are following us on TikTok, please thank you very much. You do a great job to learn with us. For those who haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a maintenance video. And please, after watching, remember to like and share with your team and your colleagues. Thank you. Let's continue. Ground stability check. Ground must be firm and level. Use outrigger plates on soft soil. Never operate on unstable ground. Positioning the pump. Park near the power area. Engage parking brake. Gearbox in neutral. Ensure enough working space of the boom movement. Deploying outriggers. Extend all outriggers fully. Level the machine using the spirit level. Confirm stable support before boom operation. Boom setup. Unlock the boom. Unfold the boom sections in the correct sequence. Ensure no obstacles in boom movement area. Maintain safe distance from power line. Priming the pump. Fill hopper with concrete stroke grout. Run pump in reverse for few strokes. Remove air from pipeline. Prepare system for smooth pumping. Switching to pumping mode. Engage forward pumping slowly. Monitor pressure gauges. Do not exceed rated pressures. Adjust output gradually. Concrete pumping operation. Keep hopper at least half full. Feed concrete continuously. Avoid foreign objects in hopper. Use remote to control and adjust flow. Monitor the following during pumping. 1. Unusual noise. High hydraulic pressure. High hydraulic pressure. Reduced concrete flow. Pipeline vibration. Hydraulic leaks. etc. Please stop immediately if any abnormal condition occurs. For those who want to learn more about operations of machines and their maintenance, the safety on the sites, please reach us in the comment section and note down what you do require. If it is a company, it is our pleasure to move together so that we maintain safety and cost-effective production. Handling blockages. Stop pumping immediately. Switch to reverse mode. Relieve pipeline pressure. Locate blockage point. Blockage safety rules. Never open pipeline under pressure. Clear blockages carefully. Wear PPE during blockage removal. Follow manufacturer's guideline. Cleaning after pumping. After completing work, fill hopper with water. Pump until clean water exits. Clean hopper and delivery system. Pipeline cleaning. Use sponge cleaning balls. Flush pipeline with water pressure. Ensure all concrete residues are removed. Boom cleaning and shutdown. Retract boom safely. Clean boom surfaces. Return controls to neutral. Switch to local mode. Close the outriggers. Return controls to neutral. Disengage PTO. Switch off engine. Post-operation maintenance. Grease all lubrication points. Focus on stroke valve and agitator shaft. Drain water box. Clean filters and screens. These are greasing points. These greasing points are going for the bucket, for this material bucket. So it is important daily to grease and check all over the pump. All greasing point, it is important to grease it mostly for bucket daily, and for the boom it is important to grease it at least one weekly. For weekly you have to grease it. For the bucket, grease it daily before start working. In conclusion, key points to recap for pump operation. 1. Safety first. 2. Proper setup. 3. Efficient operation. 4. Blockage handling. Thank you for being part of us. Work safe, work professional. Thank you for watching. Leave us a like and subscribe.